My daughter's teacher keeps calling me, and it's not about school. At first, I thought it was normal. My daughter's teacher, Mr. Harris, started calling me after school hours. First about assignments, then about behavior concerns. But the more we talked, the more I realized the conversations had nothing to do with my daughter. It started subtly. He'd keep me on the phone longer than necessary, asking personal questions. You must be exhausted, raising her alone. I brushed it off as small talk. Then he started complimenting me. I bet all the dads at school regret not having you on the PTA. It felt off, but I didn't want to overthink it. Then one night, he called at 11 p.m. My stomach dropped when I saw his name. I answered, worried something had happened. But all he said was, I just wanted to hear your voice. That was it. I firmly told him this was inappropriate and hung up. The next day, my daughter came home upset. Mr. Harris had singled her out in class, snapping at her over nothing. I knew then. He wasn't just being creepy. He was punishing her for my rejection. I reported him immediately. The school put him on leave, but part of me still feels sick knowing he had access to my child. And worse, I keep wondering if I was the only mother he called.